Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's start today's analysis. Just allow me a minute. Because so today we are trading in Ethereum USD pair, and so right now there was some analysis done by me. The first one was this was the support, and you can see the support got a breakout, and right now the market is falling down. Now here we can see a heavy volume, so that means market will more breakdown. And let's find out next resistance support. So the next target is this one. Now let's wait and watch what market is thinking exactly. We will got to know in some time. So just now I have divided, like created two target. The first one is this. Let me make it more bold. 4 okay. And the second will be this one. Let's wait for the breakout. And if you guys want to know how I'm able to create these support and target resistance, you can just watch out my previous video. In that video, I already explained you how I'm creating these particular target and resistance. Okay, so market is here, and so we can see the market just broke the support and moving downward. So let's wait and okay, now we can see market is falling down and down and down. So our first target, we already achieved our first target in just 2-3 minutes. So this is the power of analysis. But yes, market is risky. First, you have to master yourself in this particular domain, then you can take your own risk. This video is for educational purpose only. So that's it about today. Yes, market will fall down up to this particular target level. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe. And if you want to share, you can share with your friends and family members who want to learn your strategies and want to gain some knowledge about trading. So this is my new channel. I will start from very scratch and will go to the expert level. Okay, thank you.